Welcome to Udaipur, the city of lakes, nestled in the rolling hills of Rajasthan, India. Renowned for its beautiful palaces and serene water bodies, this guide will help you explore Udaipur's enchanting beauty and rich heritage. Start your journey at the majestic City Palace, which towers over Lake Pichola. This complex is a marvelous blend of medieval, European, and Chinese architecture, filled with intricate peacock mosaics and stunning courtyards. Explore its many palaces, gardens, and galleries, each narrating tales of Rajasthan's regal past. Take a tranquil boat ride on Lake Pichola, viewing the city's historic ghats and palaces from the water. As you glide over the lake, enjoy breathtaking views of the city palace stretching along the eastern banks and the picturesque ghats with their lively atmosphere. Visit the Jagdish Temple, an architectural marvel in the heart of the city. This large and artistically important temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is adorned with carved images of gods and goddesses, dancers, musicians, and elephants, reflecting the rich spiritual and cultural ethos of Udaipur. Stroll through the Sahelian Ki Bari, the Garden of the Maidens, which was built for the Queen and her royal ladies. This lush garden is famous for its marble art, fountains, kiosks, and delightful lotus pool. It is a relaxing escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Explore Fateh Sagar Lake, surrounded by hills and wooded shores. This beautiful lake offers 3 distinct islands, each with its own public park and garden. It's a popular spot for picnics, boat rides, and leisurely walks along the embankment, providing a serene view of the setting sun. Head to Sajangar Palace, also known as the Monsoon Palace, perched high on a hill overlooking all of Udaipur. Originally intended to watch the monsoon clouds, it now offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside and sunsets over the lakes, making it a photographer's haven. Dive into the local markets like Bapu Bazaar and Hathipol Bazaar for authentic shopping experiences. These markets are vibrant and bustling with a variety of items from traditional Rajasthani crafts, vibrant clothing, authentic jewelry, and souvenirs. Sampling local street food here is a must. Udaipur is a city that epitomizes romance and majesty, with its grand palaces, serene lakes, and vibrant bazaars. Whether you are seeking a glimpse into the royal lifestyle or a peaceful retreat by the water, Udaipur offers a mesmerizing blend of sights, sounds, and flavors. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and fill your travel bucket list with amazing adventures. Thanks for watching.